Introducing the GutterProVac gutter cleaning system, the revolutionary new way to safely clean out those leaf and debris-packed gutters. Hook it up, turn on each of the 3 powerful 1200-watt motors, and start safely and quickly cleaning gutters from the safety of the ground. The GutterProVac makes gutter cleaning easier than ever and is truly a workhorse of a machine. Clean more thoroughly than ever before, without having to worry about the safety of yourself or your employees. The 3 individual motors combine to make a 3600-watt industrial-strength wet-dry vac that is capable of maintaining forceful suction. Lightweight and easy to use, the aircraft-grade aluminum pole extensions let anyone easily maneuver around those hard-to-reach areas. And with a 30-foot power cord and a 25-foot vacuum hose, you never have to worry about moving your setup. This extreme power and efficiency isn't available to the average homeowner or contractor, however. You must have a generator to run this revolutionary new system. It allows you to move the high volumes of air necessary to quickly and easily vacuum those gutters clean. The GutterProVac system instantly sets you apart from the competition, with the ability to do a typically tough and time-consuming job safely, quickly, and easily. With a variety of systems, you can choose the set that's perfect for you. The GutterProVac vacuum features a durable, heavy-grade stainless steel tank that tips on an axis, allowing you to easily empty the leaves, water, and debris. Depending on your conditions, you can remove the dust filter for extra suction power, and you can keep the machine from moving by locking the front casters. Made from a reinforced tubular steel chassis, the GutterProVac is solid and strong. With the GutterProVac, you get an unmatched power and our industry-leading comprehensive 12-month warranty. For an even more revolutionary experience, you can get our wireless gutter inspection camera. This tool gives you a view of the nozzle and gutters from the safety of the ground. GutterProVac. Clean from the safety of the ground with GutterProVac.